Kuya Eman.
Umpires, after the game finishes, please take the photo of the player with the score.
Okay, 15 minutes.
Announce the 14 next play.
That's 30.
For court number 2, next will be Letny and Joanny Marie Gacosana versus Eloisa Antonio and Daniel Soriano. Please proceed to court number 2.
Ha? Pakipalitan lang sila dito. Jeffrey nakatayo, oh. Pakita si Jeffrey, back pwede. Pakicall ulit ng court number 2 mo. Pakicall ng court number 2 ulit. Kuya Tate, pakicall ng Kuya Tate, pakicall ng court number 2.
Once again, coming for court number 2, calling players for court number 2, Letny and Joanna Marie Gacosana versus Eloisa Antonio and Daniel Soriano.
Next, players, court 7, Evan Nicolas Rondo and Alf Delisay versus Chasticos and Ian Perez.
sila magaling. Thank you.
Just a reminder to everyone, if you won the game, you'll be the live judges.
For court number 3, next players will be Jean Ladwa and Jean Concepcion versus Red CJ Escalona and Alma Cagui.
Court number 3. Court number 3.
Players for court number 4, Judith Ramos and Yovela Urban versus Monique Joy Arellano and Joanna Marie Medel. Once again, calling players for court number 4, Judith Ramos and Yovela Urban versus Monique Joy Arellano and Joanna Marie Medel.
For court number 5, next players will be Angel and Dawn versus Chanita Abangan and Jenny Danyoso.
Players for court number 3, Jean Ladwa and Jean Concepcion versus Red Escalona and Alma Cagui. Once again, calling players for court number 3, Jean Ladwa and Jean Concepcion versus Red Escalona and Alma Cagui.
Court number 5, next players Angel and Dawn versus Chanita Abangan and Jenny Danyoso. Please